Hello everyone, you'll play DylCraftZ and welcome back to another reaction. So we'll be reacting to something about Sonic the Hedgehog animated. And this video, before you watch this, well, before I watch this, it contains a loud sound and flashing light warning. So if you look at the original video, you're gonna check the title. So I'm not even gonna, just like before you watch the original video, make sure you just lower your sound because it's gonna be loud, and then there's flashing light warnings. So I guess lower your brightness if that solves anything. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anyways, this is by Terminal Montage, so drop a like on this video if you guys want to see more reactions to him. So I don't think I watched him. I think I watched him only once, like a long time ago. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you guys drop a like and comment down below, as we're on the road to 4,000 subscribers. We're almost 30 more until 3,400. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and without any further ado, let's begin. Go. Oh, and it says loud sound warning. But the thing is, I have my volume, like full volume.
Have you located the Chaos Emeralds yet?
01011001101010101.
Excellent! I will be there soon.
Chili dogs.
Wow. That was amazing.
Didn't anyone ever tell you not to play with fire?
How did you get that fast?
You're too slow. You're too slow.
Gotta go fast. And also comment down below if you saw the Sonic movie. I know it's like a while old, like a months old, but that's like my favorite movie.
Thanks.
Like one of my favorite video game movies. God, Dr. Robotnik is like chasing after him now. Damn. Wait, how many miles per hour does Sonic go? Like 300? Probably a little more than that.
Enjoy the Totino's Pizza Rolls, Sonic!
Totino's Pizza Rolls?
You can do it, Sonic. You can
I like pizza rolls, actually. And I think the pizza rolls that I eat, it's Totino's. I believe so.
Understand! Prepare my ultimate weapon!
His ultimate weapon. Damn, he goes that fast to go into walls.
You're free.
Okay.
End of the line, you rotten hedgehog! The Chaos Emeralds are mine! No!
Whoa.
This is the power of the Chaos Emeralds!
Oh my god. That was crazy. So I also have something to say when this video ends. I'm just gonna look up the credits first. This is a huge update, a huge channel update. My beard's itchy. This was crazy. Oh my god, man. This is a long outro. There's more. I don't know what he said, but alright, so the update that I have for you guys is like I'm thinking about like almost every like almost every reaction video at the starting of the reaction. I'm gonna give one of you guys a shout out, but only if you guys do this one thing. 1, like the video. 2, comment on the video. 3, subscribe to my channel. 4, turn on post notifications. That's the only 4 things you need to be. And also stay active. Comment down below on every reaction video that I put. And then for a week, then I will give you guys a shout out. So if like for a few days or to a week, if you guys like stay active and then comment on every single one of my reaction videos or just any kind of video that I upload, if you stay active and always comment, I will give you guys a shout out. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys will stay notified on every single video. And comment if you guys want a shout out. And do those 4 things, what I said. Stay active, turn on post notifications, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, stay active, and comment on every single one of my video for a few days to a week, and then I will add you to my shout out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye everyone.